New construction in Grovetown was the target of Mother Nature's fury in Columbia County.
Well, loose boards and flying roof material turned into flying debris in the neighborhood of Hidden Creek. News Channel 6's Renetta DuBose in Grovetown today to show us the cleanup efforts.
Just driving through the Hidden Creek subdivision, the homes appear to be normal. But in the back, where homes were recently constructed or are still under construction, there was a lot of damage during the storm, and now it's time to rebuild.
Where the beginning of the mess is.
The Penningtons, like many in the two-state, are faced with obvious post-storm woes, rebuilding.
First, you take a deep breath, and you go around and you take an inventory of the things that you have, the things that are damaged.
Outside, Sequoia and her husband are looking at roof damage and window repairs. Inside, glass and insulation is everywhere, including all over their baby's room, who luckily was not home at the time. As they reflect on that blessing, they are crafting a plan to put back together the home they just closed on 2 weeks ago.
Since we were still in the beginning phase, it's not as hard to take because we're kind of just, we're just on pause for a minute.
That pause is the waiting game the family must play with the insurance company.
They need to see all of the damage, and if you start touching things, then they may or may not cover that.
Tarp-covered windows and shattered glass lodged in walls are all part of what this family is hoping gets covered, and fast, because the baby's room is first.
There are supplies in here that we need just for her to sleep. Everything she likes to sleep in is in here.
The roof is definitely the main thing. We had some holes in the roof, some 2x4s that were sent into the roof, so we had a lot of leaks.
And for this optimistic family facing a temporary hard time, they find a few moments to bond over pizza.
Just keeping our heads up and staying focused and staying positive.
Now, the Pennington family tells me it will take at least 1 month before everything is back to normal. And they tell me in addition to the damage outside and inside of their home, they also have damage to their vehicle. In Grovetown, Renetta DuBose, WJBF News Channel 6.